Cheers.
Yeah, chillin' with Nisha and Nard. Chillin' with Nisha and Nard. Nisha and Nard. Nisha and Nard.
Clearly, you was already.
Working with right here look like
Sweet Italian chicken sausage mix.
oh my god. We got Chef Nick in the building. Chef Nicky in the building.
I'm the assistant.
Is she gonna get fired?
Here we go with this Italian sausage mix.
Tomatoes in there now, y'all.
Okay, hello, fresh y'all. I'll be on the phone.
Say something for the camera.
Hey, I'm BB.
She just wanted to be in the video,
I
y'all.
did. This is my friend Michelle.
You want to be in it? She wants to be in it too, y'all.
I did subscribe. I subscribed.
All
I
right.
don't subscribe, so yeah.
Good to know.
Just a little bit.
Okay, bye.
Right. Say we're gonna have high blood pressure.
We need to get some
I said, do we have a bite?
It's just the last little bit up on there.
Is that the TV or that's thumbing outside?
Serve 6. No, that's step 6. I was say, baby, they don't not serve no 6 people.
Maybe 2. Barely.
Cheers. Hello, YouTube. We are back with another video. I hope
Back
you
with another
enjoy. My sister's cooking. I was the assistant.
Got Chef Nick in the building.
This meal is from HelloFresh. It is called,
The spinach ricotta.
yes, the spinach ricotta ravioli. So it has sausage, spinach, and basically everything you saw is put in it. It is homemade. Everything is completely organic. What I have learned is that the fruit we buy in stores is entirely too big because they fruit is organic and it's tiny. I mean, not fruit, they vegetables and produce. That's what it's supposed to look like. But it's 100% healthy. Here is what you guys have been waiting for. Let's see what it tastes like. You taste the first, baby.
Hey.
Okay.
Let's see what the ravioli talking about.
That's good. We had a couple people say that you got to add your own seasoning, but we did not add anything to this, and it's really seasoned. Ooh, it's hot. The ravioli good?
You're kind of busting. Hey, y'all go get one of these, man, for real. Every time busting.
Let them zoom in.
I mean,
It's like ricotta and spinach in the middle of the ravioli. I don't know if y'all can see that. But yeah, that's good.
this meal is really
Okay.
exquisite. My taste buds are on fire.
These were some free meals we got from HelloFresh. We got 3 of them, so this is one of the 3. We may or may not post the other 2, but this one was definitely the best. This is good, so we'll let y'all know how the other 2 taste. But this is good. It took us what, like 20 minutes, Nikki?
Yeah.
About 20 minutes to cook the whole thing. Everything's already prepped, portioned out. All you gotta do is chop and throw it in the skillet. And this is really easy to make. But yes, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh yes, please do that.
And y'all should be
Not
proud
you,
of us. This
I'll
is
tell
what?
you.
Video number 5? In like a month's time, y'all should be proud of us. So subscribe. So we doing good. And we'll see y'all next time.
We out.
Nard and Nisha.